Hey everyone, welcome to our video all about mulch in New Jersey. If you're a gardener, you know that healthy soil is crucial for thriving plants, and that's where mulch comes in. Mulch acts like a protective blanket for your garden, helping to retain moisture in the soil, so you don't have to water as often. It also helps prevent weeds from taking over, giving your plants a better chance to flourish. And that's not all. Mulch helps regulate soil temperature, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which is great for delicate plants. So you ready to get your hands on some mulch? You've got plenty of options in New Jersey. Head to your local garden centers, mention a few local garden centers, for a wide variety of mulch types and sizes. Home improvement stores mention a few local home improvement stores, are another great choice, offering bulk bags and convenient options. If you're working on a larger project, consider contacting landscape suppliers. They often have specialized mulch types and larger quantities. Don't forget, you can also explore online resources mention a few online resources, for convenient ordering and delivery right to your doorstep. Now, let's talk about the different types of mulch you can choose from. Wood chips are a classic option. They decompose slowly and are great for general use. Bark mulch, on the other hand, comes in various sizes, making it visually appealing and offering excellent weed suppression. Straw is a good choice for vegetable gardens, as it breaks down quickly and adds nutrients to the soil. Shredded leaves, a natural and economical option, can be used around trees and shrubs. Consider the look you're going for, how long you want the mulch to last, and the specific needs of your plants when making your decision. Now that you've chosen your mulch, let's get it applied. A good rule of thumb is to apply a layer 2 to 4 inches deep, depending on the type of mulch. Make sure to keep the mulch a few inches away from the base of your plants, to prevent rot or fungal issues. When spreading the mulch, use a gentle hand and avoid compacting it too tightly. Think of it as a loose, breathable blanket for your soil. And always remember, mulch is there to help your plants thrive, not harm them, so be mindful of how you apply it. Like any good gardener, you want to keep your mulch looking its best and working hard for you. Over time, mulch will decompose, so you'll need to replenish it periodically. Aim to add a fresh layer every year or so, or whenever the existing layer becomes thin. A healthy mulch layer not only keeps your garden beautiful, but it ensures that all the benefits of mulch, like moisture retention and weed control, continue to work effectively. So remember, a little bit of maintenance goes a long way in ensuring your plants thrive.